Today on Let's Cook with Rozina, I'm showing you how to make the most amazing Persian love cake. Hi everyone, حالتون چطوره? It means how are you in Farsi language. I'm Rozina and welcome to another video. This video is part of an international collaboration for Valentine's Day. And this time many great chefs from around the world are participating in this club. Hashtag Food of Love. And my contribution for this international collab is Persian Love Cake, because many of you have been asking for this, and here it is, the most delicious Persian Love Cake. It is tasty, it is easy to make, it's homemade, it's moist, and it's completely made from scratch. Maybe you ask why it's called Persian Love Cake. Well, in the legends from many antiquity, there was a young girl who was in love with a Persian prince, and she decided to make a cake with love and using aromatic spices such as saffron, rosewater, and orange juice for his prince and capture his heart. And then Persian Love Cake created. So let me show you how to make Persian Love Cake. We are going to start with, now place a large bowl on the table. Okay, now I'm going to add in 200 gram sugar to our large mixing bowl. Then add 6 tablespoons melted butter, along with 6 tablespoons vegetable oil. Then we're gonna cream this together using a hand mixer for about 1 minute. I feel like this combination gives the best result. I mean, butter is great for flavor and vegetable oil is good for moisture. Once sugar mixer combined, you will add in 5 large eggs. That's right, 5 large eggs. Along with 245 gram Greek yogurt. And my favorite one, rose water. Use 2 tablespoons, good quality for best result. And mix ingredients until just combined. Just like this. Perfect. Then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon baking powder. Just like this. And of course, don't forget pinch of salt. And mix, 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 mix. Then we are adding 110 gram plain flour, 100 gram almond flour, and we also need 90 gram semolina to other ingredients inside the mixing bowl. And mix this very well until well combined, and make sure there are no lumps in the cake batter. And now I'm going to use a 20 centimeter by 20 centimeter square cake pan. Then cut a square of parchment paper to fit the base of the tin and lightly grease the sides of the cake tin with butter or vegetable oil. Pour the cake batter into the tin, and if you're worried about bubbles in the batter, you can give the tin several good taps on the table. Finally, sprinkle the batter surface with the flaked almonds. And bake it in preheated oven at gas mark 4 for about 45-50 minutes. Once finished, transfer the cake pan to the table and leave it in the pan and cool for 15 minutes to let the cake settle before soaking in honey syrup. While the cake is cooling for 15 minutes, we are making honey syrup. In a pot with 120 gram honey, add 1 orange zest and juice, and also 1 tablespoon saffron water. Simmer it for 5 minutes to reduce. Then add 2 tablespoons rose water and simmer for a further 2 minutes. Then cool the syrup for 5 minutes. Okay, after cake rested for 15 minutes, poke holes in the cake all the way down to the base, around 10-20 holes or even more. And pour over the honey syrup, then leave to soak for a good half an hour. And for more decoration, sprinkle over some dried rose petals or fruits such as pomegranate seeds if you like. And we're done. Our beautiful Persian love cake is ready. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget push the like button and leave your comment below. And please feel free to share this video too. So please don't forget, check out my fellow collaborators' channels and watch their videos for #foodoflove. I leave their channels link below and you can check out. Thank you very much. See you next one. God bless and lots of love. Bye.